My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the website Protecthub.xyz. This particular website may display suspicious and misleading pop-ups that claim that your computer is infected and that because of a certain malicious activity you need to download and install some software. In reality, interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous because you may be forwarded to some other absolutely deceptive websites and you may be forced to download some other totally different software, not even the one that has been initially promoted through these pop-ups. So pop-ups by Protecthub.xyz are extremely misleading and you should not trust their deceitful statements and messages. Do not interact with them. These pop-ups may be the trace of certain adware enabled in your computer. So if you see these pop-ups on your screen, you should immediately undertake the measures to get rid of them. First thing you could do is to check the control panel of your computer. Look for any suspicious programs that could be found here and uninstall them completely. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I would also strongly advise that you scan your device with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the software and then start carefully researching and examining your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.